Hi there. I'm excited to teach you about north-south breathing or alternate nostril breathing. This is a wonderful way to bring calm into your day, to get both hemispheres of your brain working together and spark up some focus and concentration and creativity. And it really just gets anything moving in your body that's feeling blocked, whether it's an emotion or a physical ailment. So it just gets your energy really moving beautifully. So this is how you do north-south breathing. Take your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so take your other hand, whichever one is your non-dominant, and place it on your knee. And palms up like this. You want to be opening. So you want palms up. If you want to, you can do a mudra called the chin mudra. And it's like this. So you place your thumb and index finger together and your other three apart. And this is like anything you want to draw to you, and then these three are things you want to pull away from you or you want to have far away from you. So a lot of people think of it as your connection with God or universe or spirit or source. And then these three are things you don't want to have be part of your day. So I often think of this as my connection with God and the universe, and these are like anger, anxiety, and stress. Those are things I really don't like to have in my day. So I think of that. So you could have your hand either open on your knee or your leg, your non-dominant hand, or in a mudra like that. Your other hand, your dominant hand, you're going to take your index finger and your middle finger and place it right between your eyebrows, but you're going to have it down like this. I just want to make sure you can hear me. So you're going to have it down like this. What that does is it allows you to have your thumb on one side and your ring and pinky finger on the other side. So you've got it like this. And what you're able to do then is use your thumb and your ring and pinky finger to close and open your nostrils. I know it sounds weird, but it's really, really wonderful practice. So you'll be doing this. You'll be closing one nostril to breathe in and out of your opposite open nostril, and then you'll be releasing that and using your other ones to close and open that one. So you're going to go back and forth. That's really all it is. The only thing you need to remember is that you switch after you inhale. And after you do an inhale, exhale, that's considered one full breath. And they say to do this at least, what they say is I think 11 minutes. You don't have to do it 11 minutes. Just do it for as long as you feel like you're getting a great benefit from it. But if you want to sit down for 11 minutes, that is a fabulous thing to do because you're going to feel a tremendous amount of calm. And 11 minutes has been proven to reduce your cortisol level. So you're going to really bring down your stress. So do this. Go ahead and put your fingers up there. Hopefully you can hear me. And then you've got your thumb and your other two fingers, and just block off your one side and inhale. And then open that side and close the other nostril and exhale. And then inhale again before you switch. Inhale and switch. Inhale, switch, and exhale. Inhale, switch, exhale. And that is it. The only thing I would say is I was breathing kind of rapidly there. Slow it down as much as you can, whatever's comfortable for your body. And just really inhale deeply and hold that oxygen, and then switch and exhale completely. And then inhale, switch, and hold it and exhale. So slow it down a little more slowly than what I was doing, and you will, I promise, feel such great benefits from that. Reduce stress, more concentration, and getting the energy in your body, mind, spirit moving smoothly. So I hope you really enjoyed that, and if you are interested, opt in below this video to learn more about Meditation 77. And once that program is available, I would be happy to send you some information and see if you'd like to join. Or if you're watching this video at a later time and it's active, you'll get some information about my program called Meditation 77, which is guaranteed to get you creating your own sacred practice, including meditation and breath work, and create your own practice that you will stick to. That is the key. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day.